What up, guys? It's your boy Johnini. One more time, we're back at it. Anyways, we're doing another BTS tutorial, Hooligan, but this time it's the TikTok viral dance. Are you ready for it?
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
So let's go straight back into it, slowly from the top. So you want to start with boom, boom. So I'm going to punch you at the right and then the left. And that's you 1, 2. Easy, right? So 1, 2. Then you're going to jump out. Boom, going down on your knees. And that's on you 3. Up bouncing with the head also 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times. Right, left, right, left. After this, I'm going to make a roll with the head and go 8, 1. So 7, 8, 1. 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We move on. Second part. 2. So here you just jump on your right, lift your left. 2. And then up with your hands. 3, 4, 6, 8, 1. Okay, so boom. Here you just step back. Same time, lift your hands toward the right in the groove, left and right. So 3 times. So boom, ta-ti, ta, ta-ti, ta, ta, and just chill with it. And then you bounce, boom, boom. All right, 8, 1. We move on from here. You're gonna jump out, boom, and you go on the ha, craziness, do whatever you want, ha 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 ha, and you finish with a boom, boom, and a hooligan. You did the 8, 1. You jump out on 2, and you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And that's it. So one more time, everything slowly from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.